everyone! It's Dr. Panda Toto time!
Hiya!
Today, we're exploring the ocean with Leo! Leo's gone out in his boat to take photos of any sea creatures he can find. Let's hop on board and help him spot them. Ahoy there, Leo! What sea creatures are you looking for? Ooh, dolphins! What was that? Oh, I get it. That's the sound a dolphin makes. Good thinking. You are going to listen to see if there are any dolphins. Let's help Leo listen very carefully to see if there are any dolphins nearby. If you hear them, shout out, "Dolphins!"
Dolphin!
Not yet, Toto. We'll have to wait and listen first. All we can hear right now is the waves. Can you help Leo listen for the sound of the dolphins? Hey, do you hear that? Is that the sound of a dolphin? Ew! That's not a dolphin, that's a seagull.
Birdie!
No worries, Leo. We'll just have to be patient and wait a little bit longer. Listen, is that the sound of the dolphins? Oh no! There goes your camera! Huh, that was lucky. One of those sea lions caught it. And that's where the sound came from, too. Thank you, Mr. Sea Lion.
Sea lion!
Still no dolphins. Let's have one more go at trying to hear them. Another animal sound. Is that the sound of a dolphin? Yeah! Dolphins! Here they come, Toto!
Dolphins!
Oh no! Leo has fallen asleep. He'll miss the dolphins. Can you help us wake up Leo? On the count of 3, say as loud as you can, "Dolphins!" 1, 2, 3, dolphins! Uh-oh, he's still sleeping. Hey, I've got an idea. Maybe the dolphins can help us. Hey, dolphins! Leo would love to take a picture of you, but he's asleep. Can you help us wake him up? Leo, look! Here are the dolphins! Wow! Look at those pictures! Those are awesome, Leo! Thanks for helping Leo spot the dolphins. Be sure to join us on Leo's next boat trip and see what other amazing sea creatures we can find. Bye-bye!
Bye-bye!
Hi there! Stick around for more Toto Time episodes and be sure to subscribe to our channel!